Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're trying to get started with Google's Gemini AI but don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a Gemini API key step by step, from finding the right page to generating and copying your API key safely. Let's start by opening a web browser and heading over to google.com. Now type in Gemini API Key and hit enter. You should see a link that says Get API Key Gemini API Google for Developers. Click that link, or for your convenience, I've added the direct URL in the description below: https://ai.google.dev/gemini-api/docs/API key. This is the official documentation page from Google, and it's where you'll manage your access to the Gemini API. Before you can create an API key, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use an account that you plan to use for development or testing. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to do so now. Once you're signed in, click on the Get API Key button on the documentation page. This will redirect you to Google AI Studio, which is where you can create and manage your API keys. Now it's time to create your API key. Just click on Create API Key, and optionally, you can create the key for a new project or use an existing project. This is helpful if you want to keep track of multiple keys for different use cases. After that, your API key will appear on the screen. Copy it immediately and store it in a safe place. I recommend storing the key in a secure Notes app, password manager, or your project's environment variables file. Once you leave the page, the key may not be shown again, so don't skip this step. A quick but important note: don't share your API key publicly. If someone gets access to it, they could use your account and burn through your usage quota. Also, never commit it to GitHub or any public code repository. Use .env files or secret managers instead. And that's it. You've successfully created your Gemini API key and are ready to explore what Google's AI tools have to offer. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you're building with Gemini.